Kundan earrings. You have already learned how to make the Kundan wedding necklace. Now, let's see how to make the Kundan earrings that go with it. It is pretty simple and you can make it in no time. So let's get started. Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify the tools and materials needed to make a pair of Kundan earrings. Make a pair of Kundan earrings. The only tool that you would need to make a pair of Kundan earrings is the plier. Next, let's see the materials that you will require to make the Kundan earrings. The materials are Kundan earring pieces, 2 earring hooks, 8 golden jump rings, pearl and golden guggeries, beading mat. Now let's see how to make the Kundan earrings. Step 1. Spread the beading mat. First, spread the beading mat on the working table. Step 2. Lay out the earring parts in sequence. Place the parts of the earrings in sequence on the beading mat. Step 3. Attach pearl and golden guggeries to each jump ring. Attach 5 pearl and golden guggeries to each jump ring. Repeat this process for the next 6 jump rings. While opening the jump ring, always open it with the plier towards you and not wide apart. Step 4. Attach the jump rings to the lower end of the earrings. Attach 3 jump rings laden with guggeries to the lower end of the earrings. Repeat the same for the other earring also. Step 5. Join the Kundan earring piece to the earring hook. Join the Kundan earring piece to the earring hook with the help of another golden jump ring. Do it for the other earring as well. With that, we've come to the end of this session. Let's recall what we have learnt. We learnt how to make a pair of Kundan earrings. Let's review its basic steps. Step 1. Spread the beading mat. Step 2. Lay out the earring parts in sequence. Step 3. Attach pearl and golden guggeries to each jump ring. Step 4. Attach the jump rings to the lower end of the earrings. Step 5. Join the Kundan earring piece to the earring hook. You have now learned how to make a pair of Kundan earrings.